In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all beta? I hope you all are fine. I'm your science teacher from Metropolitan School. In previous class we discussed about pollution. Pollution happens when the environment is contaminated by waste, chemicals and other harmful substances. Or in other words, pollution is something introduced into the environment that is dirty, unclean or has a harmful effect. Pollution is very harmful for us and all other living beings. Pollution is one of the major problems of the world. There are three types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Air pollution is when unwanted chemicals, gases, and particles enter the air and the atmosphere causing harms to humans. जब हमारी एयर में हार्मफुल केमिकल्स और गैसेस शामिल हो जाते हैं तो एयर पोल्यूटेड हो जाती है जिससे हमारी हेल्थ पर बुरा इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है. एयर पोल्यूशन occurs when smoke, dust, ash and poisonous gases enter the air. Students, air pollution can cause various diseases. For example, skin infection, headache, asthma, lungs cancer and flu. These diseases caused by air pollution. Students, what do these images show and what do they have in common? These images shows unwanted trash spread all over the land, and due to this the soil become polluted. Now we are going to start a new topic, that is soil pollution, from chapter 6 pollution, in which we will learn about causes of soil pollution and their solution. Soil pollution is when there are harmful changes in the soil due to adding or dumping of unwanted harmful pollutants such as trash decomposes into soil. This causes harmful effects to the environment and human beings. जब soil में contamination होती है, it means कोई भी unwanted चीज उसमें ऐड होती है जिसकी वजह से soil में ऐसा चेंज आता है जो लिविंग बींग्स के लिए हार्मफुल होता है. इसे soil pollution कहते हैं. Illegal dumping of the industrial waste into water, and this polluted water absorbed by the soil. This is the major cause of soil pollution. Soil pollution is also caused by the human activities. Garbage disposed of carelessly, and this is not only an eyesore but pollutes the soil and cause soil pollution. Agriculture processes contribute to soil pollution. Fertilizer increase crop yield and also cause pollution that impacts soil quality. Pesticides also harms plants and animals by contaminating the soil. These chemicals get deep inside the soil. Too much use of anything is dangerous. एग्रीकल्चर प्रोसेस से भी सॉइल पोल्यूशन में इजाफा होता है. फार्मर्स जो फर्टिलाइजर्स यूज करते हैं, इससे सॉइल की क्वालिटी पे असर पड़ता है. और जो स्प्रे करते हैं पेस्टिसाइड्स का, ये हार्मफुल होता है और ये केमिकल सॉइल में डीपली एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है, जिससे सॉइल पोल्यूशन इंक्रीज होती है. Soil pollution can affect the life of human beings because vegetables and fruits that are grown in polluted soil contain poisonous substances that cause various health problems in human beings. Polluted soil में जो fruits और vegetables grow करते हैं, इनमें poisonous substance शामिल हो जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हमारी हेल्थ पर असर पड़ता है. Students, as we all know that air and water are important for living, but now these two are getting dirty day by day. As a result, there is no fresh air to breathe and clean water to drink. We have to reduce pollution to save our planet Earth. Pollution is major problem and we should think about solution of pollution. We should do our best to reduce pollution from environment. Trees give us life by giving us oxygen. Through the process of photosynthesis, trees are able to absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere and reduce the pollution. So we should grow more and more plants and trees wherever possible. Trees से हमें ऑक्सीजन मिलती है, जो सांस लेने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. ट्रीज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को एब्जॉर्ब करके माहौल को खुशगवार बनाते हैं. Each one of us must plant at least one tree each and ensure they grow into full trees. Trees and plants are the source of healthy life on this planet. We should not burn garbage near residential areas and it should be disposed away to proper garbage dumping site. We should limit the use of chemicals in farming as they pollute the soil. We should properly dispose industrial and domestic waste. Plastic bags are one of the most commonly used things today. We use them almost every day for various purposes. There are number of reasons to say no to plastic bags. We must stop using them to better our environment because plastic bags pollute our land and water and they are harmful to human health. We use paper bag and cloth bag instead of plastic bag. Students, tell me, what have you learned in this topic? Our environment become unhealthy for us when harmful pollutants such as smoke from vehicles and industries enter in our environment. Unhealthy and dirty environment is a cause of pollution. There are three types of pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Water pollution is a contamination of water by human activities that make the water unhealthy or harmful to living beings. Soil pollution occurs when waste water from fields and industries gets absorbed in the soil. Throwing of garbage on land also causes soil pollution. Now students, I am giving you some homework. Do question number 5, 7 and 8 from your book page number 67 in your classwork copy. Question number 5 and 7 are long questions and question number 8 is short questions. Question number 5 is, how does soil pollution affect the life of human beings? Question number 7 is, what are the causes of air pollution? These two are long questions. Question number 8 is, give some examples of air pollutants. This is a short question. Do these questions into your classwork copy from your book page number 67. This is your homework. I hope you got the lesson in a better way. This was Miss Kuratulan signing off. May Allah increase your knowledge. Thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.